Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to another video on the Luderco Arms channel. Now, this video is going to be just a little bit different because what we're going to do is take a look at a GoPro accessory that I basically going to do a review of the GoPro Media Mod and then also of an alternative setup. So to start off with, I'm filming this on my old camera, which is a GoPro Hero 8 Black, and the reason I'm filming it on that is because this is my newer camera, which is GoPro Hero 10, which is I bought to improve the quality of my videos. And then of course, like most people, after I've edited enough videos, and I've got well over 200, so I am pretty experienced with editing my videos, I found that there were some things that could use improvement, like sound quality. So the problem with the GoPro is, by itself, it has no external mic jack. It has a microphone built into it, but there's no way to hook an external microphone up to the GoPros. So I got to looking online and I decided, well, they make the GoPro Media Mod and it's made by GoPro, and here it is right here. I said, well, that is probably going to be the cat's ass for me because I like simple and all-in-one. So you figure you buy this according to GoPro and you put it on your camera, and now you have a directional microphone built in, and you have these ports, so you could plug in another microphone. It's a 3.5 port, and then a couple of other ports here where you can run power in and charge the battery while this is on the media on the camera. So in order to install this on your camera to use it, you got to open it, which is a little latch right here, and then you've got to take your camera and pull the battery door off, which is very easy. It's on the side, as you know. Pop that off, set it to the side. So there's your battery and your media, your mini SD card, and then your plug. And so this will slide into here like so, and it plugs right into it, and then you fold this down and boom, now you have an external microphone. And reach down here, you can put your tabs down so you can hook it onto the tripod, and boom, you're good to go. Almost. So the problem with this, and I really wanted to like this. I mean, I asked for this Media Mod for Christmas, and I have been using it because it's what I have. But there's a couple of flaws with this thing, and I'm going to show you what they are, and then I'm going to show you a way to get around them. So the biggest flaw that I have seen with this is, if you do videos like I do where you're out in the shop all day long, you're going to have to change batteries. And the problem with this setup is, in order to change the battery on the camera, you have to open this thing up, pull the camera out of the thing, then you can pull the battery out, put your spare battery in, then you got to put this back in here. Now that's bad, but here it gets even worse, because if you have this mounted on a tripod, you go on the bottom and you fold these legs down. But what I didn't realize when I looked at this online to buy it or to ask for it for Christmas is, you basically, if you put your tripod on this, right, then in order to swap the battery out, you have to take this off of the tripod, because instead of putting feet on the bottom of this cage, they just put a hole in it, and you're using the same feet off the bottom of the camera. So if you're mounted on the tripod, right, and then you try to pull this out of this mount, that's as far as you can go because the feet are stuck in the mount. Then you got to push it back in and fold those feet down. Pull it out. You got to pull it off of the tripod. So, like I said, this works. I have no problem with it working. The problem I have is I can't change out the batteries while it's on the camera. And if you're just using the camera set up in one spot all the time, that's probably okay, because you could hook a cable to it to run power to it where you're not necessarily running off of the battery. You could run a cable into here and just run it, but that's just not going to really work for me. So what I did is I went and bought a couple of other accessories. So now, in order to hook a microphone to the camera, you have to have some kind of adapter. This is the GoPro microphone adapter. Now, if you use the Media Mod here, it's built into this. So you don't have to have this. It's already built into the Media Mod. But if you don't want to use the Media Mod because you need to be able to change batteries, then you're going to have to use this adapter. So then, what you got to do is I bought this, which is by Small Rig, and it's a 3083C cage for GoPro. And we'll pull this stuff out here and see what we've got. I am opening this and installing it with y'all, because I have not done it as of yet. Let me adjust this. There we go. Alright, so wrapped up in this fancy paper, and this Small Rig cage was like 16 bucks on Amazon. So we got the cage right there, and it also comes with this other piece here, square looking thing with a hot shoe piece on it, a cold shoe. Alright, so now that we've got this, again, you'll take the battery cover off of your camera and drop your camera into this cage like so, and then close it and it will snap. So now that's in there, and then you have this piece, and it should snap into the bottom of this in one direction or the other. Not that direction. Let's see. Oh, I see what I'm doing wrong. Yep, there we go. Nope. I'm going to get this right here in a second. So it pushes. Okay, I see. Got to push it down and then slide it over. Boom. Like that. Alright, so now our cage is on. And you can see our batteries hanging out the side here. Well, the new cage comes with a battery door like this, which will go like so. And then, if you need to change your battery, you can just pop the cover off. So now, we still don't have a microphone though. So the little piece that we just stuck on here is actually what holds the GoPro microphone adapter. So this plugs into your plug on the side of the camera, like so. So now you've got your adapter. And then I bought this, which is a Movo Creators VRX10 Pro directional microphone. And we're going to open it up. And I think this microphone was like $20 something. The adapter, the GoPro mic adapter, was the most expensive part of this setup that we're doing now. But anyways, so now that we've got that all set up, now we can just open this up. Got our microphone and the microphone stand. Like so. And it basically just goes on here like, I'm assuming, yeah, it should just snap on there, but there we go. All right, snap that on there just like so, and then it will slide into the or the cold shoe here, like so. And then you just pick out the cable for your application. It comes with one for smartphones and one for camera setups. And I'm thinking, alright, this one says microphone on this end. So we go on the back of the microphone and line out there, and this will plug into here, and now we have an external microphone. We can hook this on our tripod, and then if we got to swap batteries out, all we have to do is unplug this one thing and pop this cover off. We can pull the battery out, put the other replacement battery in, and then just pop the cover back on, plug the adapter back in. And if you want to run off of a power cable, you can plug it in right here on the mic adapter, and it will run power directly into the camera. So this is a little bit bulkier setup, obviously. It also comes with an additional windsock. It's got one on it too. But yeah, so I'm thinking that this setup is going to be much better than this for usefulness. Although the nice thing about this GoPro Media Mod was it's all in one, and you don't have to mess with anything. You don't have to put all this stuff together, and it's made by GoPro. The camera plugs right into it. But why they made it where you couldn't swap the battery out, or you can't swap the battery out with this on it, and you can't remove this from the camera to swap the battery out without removing the camera from the tripod. It's just not, it's a damn good idea, but it just wasn't executed well at all. So yeah, this is going to be now, when I'm out in the shop and such, I'll be using this rig up, and when I'm filming probably in the house, this unit will work. But yeah, so there's kind of a review of putting a microphone on your GoPro 10, either using the Media Mod or this setup here. Now the other thing too is, if you're using the Media Mod, you don't have to use the built-in microphone in the Media Mod. You could take your aftermarket mic like this one. And the Media Mod's also got a shoe, a cold shoe on top here that you could, if I can get it lined up straight, you can put your mic in, and then you could just take this back here and plug it in under this bottom cap like so, and you'd be good to go. But again, when you need to change the battery out, you can't do it unless you take everything apart, which is kind of not ideal in my opinion. So hopefully this has helped somebody out, or gave you an idea of how to get a microphone on your GoPro if you would like to do so. And appreciate y'all watching, and we will see you in the next video. Y'all have a good one.